Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add a wireless Wi-Fi network on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's simple, so let's get started. First, go to the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. Once you see the Control Panel, click on it to open it. In the Control Panel, look for Network and Sharing Center and click on it. Here, you'll find an option to set up a new connection or network. Click on that. A new window will appear with several options. Select Manually Connect to a Wireless Network, then click Next. Now, enter the network name, select the security type, and enter your security key. If you want the password hidden, check the Hide Characters box. Also, make sure to check Connect even if the network is not broadcasting if you're connecting to a hidden network. After filling in these details, click Next. Now, minimize the control panel, go to the taskbar, and open your network connections. Select your network from the list, and if it doesn't automatically connect, click on Connect. Enter the password if prompted, and you're all set. If manually connect to a wireless network is not available, you can try some of the troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting your PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue by prompting Windows to detect the network. Next, you can use Device Manager to scan for hardware changes. Open Device Manager, click on Action in the top menu and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will attempt to detect missing network drivers and reinstall them automatically. You can also try updating the driver via Device Manager. In Device Manager, right-click on Network Adapters and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows updates can sometimes include updated drivers. To check for updates, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. If the problem started recently, System Restore might help by restoring the system to a point where the Wi-Fi was working. Go to Control Panel then, Recovery, and open System Restore. You can also try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings and then Network and Internet. Scroll to the end and click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, click on Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters. If none of these steps work, the issue could be hardware related with the Wi-Fi adapter. Hopefully, one of these steps will help you get back online. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.